Sanibona. Yazi ngakhathala guys. Lapha ngemsebenzini but around 1.
Ma'am, this is the bill for the breakfast. So when you're ready, or I don't know, do you want to pay now? You can pay after your breakfast.
Kanti does not come with Elo.
No.
The room. It doesn't.
The room number?
602.
I will confirm and come back to you.
Yeah, please. Thank you. Did I pour salt here? And also, why is this breakfast? A breakfast at 350. Crazy. Yeah, guys. Is it teeny indaba love? Is it teeny indaba? Like, I have no energy to speak, and I wanted to shoot some videos today, but akwenzeki sana. Akusekude la ngikhona, let me show you. Oh, was it a confirm? Oh, I wasn't speaking to you now. Oh, okay. Sorry.
Which about confirm in?
Ukuthi breakfast late does not come with e-room or 602.
Oh, I'm sure you.
Yeah, ne?
Ngintombazana o tholi njengamini.
Yes.
Yeah, understand.
Thank you.
Awusinguwe one who confused.
Ngisho I think also ngimbuka kahle. Yeah.
Masiqala umsebenzi siqale sonke like mina ngaqala today na wenza next.
Wenza ngakusasa. Yeah.
Bathi mabebona yena babize mina.
Mabebona wena. Yeah, son. Is the pool area open?
Is the
pool area, is it open?
I think
Where's the spa? Oh yes. Construction, ne? Yeah. But bazongivumela ngale ngase spa. Okay. Thank you. Oh, guys, impilo is not life. Oh, thank you. I love gifts. Thank you, Sam. Thank you so much. I love gifts. Gifts make the world go round. And if not, well to go around, so thank you. Thank you, Grace. Thank you, Grace. Yeah, but guys, as in Angisantandi, guys. Do you guys think I need to shave? Because, manje, ngazuthi ngiyi-transgender. Nala. khona ngisho nala cabanga. Look at my eye. Like, I am so hairy. Like, what the heck? At this point, I'm questioning myself. Are you sure?
It's just a room, so we have to pay for the breakfast.
Okay. Thank you. Sure. Okay. Ngizokutshela mase okay.
We're not supposed to leave our guests unattended.
Oh, okay, no. Bengisasho ukuthi at this point I'm still trying to think ukuthi was I supposed to be a man? Because why am I so hairy? Like, why am I so hairy? Like, guys, bukan ala. I'm sure ngijike nala ngijike endleleni mina kube nomfana, guys. Nas, like, this place, a beautiful man. I'm sure if I was like a lesbian and then like I'd be the guy. Not you know, there's no guy, what, it's only girls. Yes, I understand. But I'm just trying to explain with him. The way I'm hearing a con, if it's one lesbian, I'd probably want to be the guy because I already have the hair, the beard, you know. I wouldn't want my girlfriend to feel overwhelmed. If I was a lesbian, I'd probably be a guy in the relationship. But now, being a guy in a relationship, does that mean wasiza waba untombazane because ubu zosithathela intombi zethu. Ay sana. I-week yami, guys, is crazy. Ngizamile ukuthi ngiyenze lezi zinto zoku-installa what izolo. Yangihlula yabo nje. You even got a yabona mara ukuthi nginanebhesi. Nginanebhesi, guys. Like, do you understand ukuthi shuthi village? No, ibhesi yenziwa ukuthi angilalanga kahle. No, kumele kube 50-50. Oh, okay. Oh, kuba 50-50. But from not from my experience. What experience? From ukuzwa abantu bekhuluma bathi like ama-studs bathi bona abathanda ukuthintwa and stuff, like ibona bathanda ukwenza intombazana, but bona, and I'm always asking myself, it's okay if you are then dating another girl, right? Like, if you're dating a man, it makes sense because both the man and the woman are enjoying, right? So now, if you're dating another girl and you don't want it to be 50-50, you only want to be the one oniyezayo all the time, where do you get like, how do you enjoy? Like, how do you enjoy? And crazy part, there's this, while I was still in varsity, and my first year, there's this girl, she was a full-on lesbian, you know? They always wear their top, exactly. That girl was a full-on lesbian. Like, beyaziwa nje ukuthi yabo lo umjita nje ngeke futhi uzongitshela into ethile. Hayi-ke sana untombazana-ke ejola-ke nale ngingane bezilapha eklasini. So ngiyambuza because I'm very curious. Like I love knowing things. Udlala ngentshebe yakho, mina ngidlala ngeyakho, cabanga. So I'm very curious and I like to know things, you know. So I'd ask, it's okay, so what happens, you know, like you know exactly, can you enlighten me? Mr. Asho ukuthi no, mina oh untombazane esho ukuthi no angazi noma ngithi umfana noma ngithi okay i-girlfriend yakhe ebekade kuyi are they called studs wathi uyena ongenzayo akavumi nanokuthi nje ngimthinta amabele ngithi mina awu pho yena manje uyithathaphi-ke i-enjoyment how does she get to enjoy if akafuni nanokuthi umthinta amabele pho ethi akafuni nje kufuna uyena nje ufuna ukuthi elokho go down and stuff. Ngithi mina okay. Guys, guess what? A few years later, I think 3 years later, actually as soon as I finished with my degree, ngithi ngiyena lapha ku Facebook. Hayibo. Isigaxa sendaba. Umuntu umithi lo bekade istart lo kade ethiwa yena akafune ukuthintwa intombazana enye what mithi sana kuyimanje nengane I think ingane la 5-6 I think ingane na 5 kodwa she still portrays herself as a lesbian and the crazy part laba bekade bemazi bathi esontweni ubekade umuntu egqoka ubra nama-dresses but misihlangana naye esikoleni hayi ngiyakutshela mfana begqoka nje ama-sports bra ezibophe amabele wathi kanje ebophe amabele angazi babopha kani ngebhandishi ebophe sana kodwa meyo esontweni gqoka ubra kuveza ngisho no-cleavage yakho sekhulela excuse me guys aningikhokhela phela i-breakfast le oh lord sorry aningikhokhela le breakfast nganindlela ibiyimbi ngayo but I don't understand ukuthi why ibiza so and I don't understand ukuthi if I booked a room here why do I still have to pay for a breakfast when I booked a room ephuma ne-breakfast like it doesn't make sense because I know when I booked ngicele ukuthi include i-breakfast so now mase bengilethela ibhili bathi ngiyenzeni lapha i-breakfast ekhona ayiyimbi kanje angikwazanga nokuyiqede othi ngibonise okay iqinile ufuna ukunibonisa ukuthi lento le nginganishaya ngayo lento le bathi ngiyidle lento le iyona into abathi ngiyikhokhela uyabona noma ngingashaya itafula ngale ndlela eqine ngayo niyabona ukuthi iqine kanjani i-croissant yabo nayo oh lord hello ngiyaphila njani Dani Johannesburg angikwazi ukudisclose ama-location ngawaseGoli
okay I understand
azingikhohlile
ngifisa kube ngikhona lapho ngizokubhadalela le bill le
no ngizoyikhona cabanga lento le yabo lento le ngase ngikushaye ngayo ebusweni ungathola i-concussion manje like qinile buka bathi i-hash brown maybe ngicela nibuke iqine kanjani like
Yeah, mama.
Ah, hayi bandla. Baze bafake no sweet. Like I know ukuthi bengikade ngikhokhele i-room ephuma nelo. Now wathi ngikhokhele lokhu for i-hash brown eqinile engakushaya ngayo nje uthole i-concussion. Hayi guys.
Anisa,
Yes.
ngicela ukubuza something ku-inbox. Yeah,
All right.
10, mama nje ithi ngehle. Yabona ngikhathele bengisemsebenzini izolo ebusuku ngikhathele. Kodwa ngiyavuka fanele ngijimile, samele ngijimile futhi.
Yo. Kwaze kwakuningi shem.
Yeah.
Kwaze kwakuningi askisi. But at least unamandla.
Hayi, akhona mama, akhona ayikhona.
Hayi siyabonga. All right.
Yeah. Okay, sharp-ke ube right. Eish, ube ngiyayikhokhela impela lo bill leyo. I don't care ukuthi bekuyimali. Bekuzoyimali bengizokhokhela.
Ufuna ukuyikhokhela yini?
Ayilanga. Sengithi
Ngiyeza.
ngiyilanga ukuthi. Sharp, sharp.
Ciao. Nangaboni thando namalobolo ayolololo. Abananana. Bengisanitshela guys, ngithi-ke untombazana lo mithi sana. Exactly, like you can always transfer. You can always. You can always. Okay. Kahle kahle bengigqoke mina i-swimwear. When are you shaving? Shaving. Oh, my beard. Bathi mengiyishave ikhula kakhulu. Bathi mengiyishave izokhula kakhulu. So I don't know. Ngithi ngisaba nokusukuma guys ngiye ngalena ngifuna ukuyokha amanzi manje like something I need some water. I need to be awake. Kahle kahle ngidinga ibhayo yini obhayo what obhayo plus. Just ukuthi ngivuke. But the crazy thing is guys, no? At the killer building kula. Bayababuza ukuthi, do you need water? Do you need this? Do you need that? Yeah, no, we'll get you the water. We'll get you this. When I'm asking, can I also please have water? I was killing on. Wayengahambi uyothathela amanzi lapha kwi-dispenser. Nami vele angithandi ukulo ngicelana nabantu sibangenzela angithandi ukuthuma mina ngiyintombazane ezenzelayo. Inkinga yami ngokusukuma manje is that I'm wearing i-swimwear ukuthi nje ngifake i-top ngaphezulu. But ngigqoke i-swimwear manje leli blue eligqokile ungazi ukuthi mhlampe-ke manje abantu angeke ba-understand ukuthi ngiya kwi-pool. That's why ngigqoke kanje. Angigqokanga kanjena because ngizama angigqokanga kanjena ngoba ngizama ukwenza anything literally. Bengithi ngiyephulini and then I saw ukuthi i-breakfast ivala ngo-10:30. Let me start with breakfast and then go to the pool side area after. Then go to the I don't know how to close this thing off. Abantu bayijoyinele live yami. Like really now. Guys, kanti why abantu basijoyinela like no. I'm gonna show you. Literally ngifake i-swimwear. No, not yet. Angakahambi. Angazi, yeah, bengifike yokha amanzi. Ngiyabona ukuthi ngigqoke i-swimwear. Ngiwila. Yeah, ngiyabona ukuthi ngigqoke i-swimwear. Manje, I know it looks wrong. But I mean, like, ngiyakuyiphula. Can I please get some water?
Usasebhizi la.
Ngakuyeka ngizokuhamba, yeah. Okay.
Usanda?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, that's why ngizozela. Ngizozela now, mara i-self-service amanzini.
Okay. See what I said? Please. Do you guys see what I was talking about? Apparently, Amanzi is self-service and everything else, but it's crazy how if kumlungu bayamlethela baze bembuze ukuthi you need some water, ngikuphatheleni, what, like, are we not all paying the same? Like, I just paid 3,000 rand for a glala at night. Do you really not think, Uti, I will be able to tip you well or whatever? I don't know. Like, it's crazy. It is just so crazy, I'm telling you. Thank you. It's just so crazy. So, it's a teeny double, guys. What's the news update? What is the news update? I want to try going live on YouTube, yes. I wish I didn't leave my bag in the room. Because now I need lip gloss and... Oh, they call me Andy. He or she has been joining live. Then he disconnects. Hi, user. What? Yeah, ngiyangena go one, so I need to leave here around. I need to leave here around. I think I'm in Hambango 12. Might be late. I might be late.
Thank you very much. Thank you, Mr. Taylor. Wonderful day. Thank you.
Gosh, do you know where I can learn how to be a DJ? I think I would actually love to become a DJ. Ngaphakathi DJ-la lapho ngithi hey kinesigaxa sendawo ngithi wema kinesigaxa sendawo kade la ngiqhubeke du. Kuyakhathaza-ke kodwa ukhuluma ukhuluma nje iy'ndaba zabantu abantu bagcina sebengasakuthandi ukukuthanda bathi oh lo asimfundo duze kwethu uzosiqala la ethi ngizwile ukuthi what guys. Ngiyabuya ne, I'll join again in like 5 minutes. Let me just pay because I'm using my phone to pay since ngiyiphathanga ibag. Oh.